Welcome, today I'm with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q and I want to show you how you can reset all picture settings. So the first, you have to go under this LED indicator. You will find right here button, so you have to click on it once and you will get this menu. You have to select settings. Next, scroll to the picture, go for the right side, and in this place on the second list we can find few presets. So for example, if you are using the standard one, you have to click another time right and scroll down at the bottom. And right now that's the reset picture option, so we have to click OK to confirm on the button, click yes, and as you can see, that's how we can perform the reset of the picture settings. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.